Go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we got an amazing video for you guys. I'm gonna be explaining how much actually costs to launch your first product on Amazon. So let me show you what I got here. And I have here, first of all, we need to create a company. So we're gonna create a limit company, and we can use any company to create our company. So they're called formation companies. They do everything for you, and actually they're not that expensive. This is one example called Companies Made Simple. And what these people they do, they create a limit company for you, for your business. Okay, so they're gonna give you an address. This is the different packages that they have. So let's see, this one is already enough. So it's around £20. It costs the privacy package, and this is what it includes to format the company, to give you some digital copies of all the formation, all the documentation that you will need. Okay, so everything here explained. You don't know necessarily you have to use these ones, but I think these ones are pretty good and they have good reviews. So first of all, you need to create a limit company, and you will create your limit company with a formation company, a company who's gonna create a company for you. Okay, this is one example, and you can explore when you have time. Companies Made Simple is a really good one. Second thing you will need Helium 10. Helium 10 is a software that allows you to do many things, and it's a fantastic tool for any Amazon seller. Anybody who's serious on selling on Amazon will need this tool. What this tool does, it helps you on product research, it helps you on your keywords research in order to create your listing optimization, to create a fantastic listing, to rank your product on the first pages of the Amazon search term. And then also it will help you to maintain your business, to track your sales and to track your PPC, to track for hijackers. So definitely it's a tool that you will need to explore. How much it costs? So here you have different packages. So here, this is the one I recommend. It costs £99. If you sign with the link in the description of this video, you'll get 50% off on your first month. So it will cost you around $50 on the first month. Okay, so remember, Helium 10, click on the link on the description and you will get the offer. Then third thing you will need to sign up for Amazon. You'll need the professional plan, which allows you to sell more than 35 items a month. Obviously you'll need that because you want to sell as many units as possible. This will cost you £25 per month. Okay, then the other thing that you will need to get barcodes for your products. So you're launching your products, you will need to get barcodes on your products. So here you will need to sign up for GS1 UK. Okay, so this is the barcodes. This is barcodes. So in order to launch products in an e-commerce business, you'll need barcodes. Here you have the plans. With the starter plan is enough for someone who's starting, which allows you to have 10 barcodes. So that means you can launch 10 products. So that's pretty good for someone who's starting, because you're just gonna launch one. So you need this one, which is gonna cost you £50 per year. Once you start launching loads of products, you move on to the next package. Okay, they cost a bit more. But at first, with 10 barcodes, you will be more than enough. So £50 per year. Then obviously the product, you will need the cost of the product. So here I have an example of a product, laptop stands. So it costs around this much. It's around $2.44. So let's say on your first product you're gonna launch with 300 units you're gonna buy. So the way I work it out myself, if I want to sell a product that sells on Amazon for £15, so I apply I apply the 5-time rules. That means I need to find it on Alibaba for around £3. So £3 times 5 is 15. Okay, this rule allows me to pay all the Amazon fees, all the shipping fees and everything. I will still have 30% profit on my product. So remember, if you see something that you want to sell and it sells on Amazon for 15, you need to be able to buy it from the supplier for £3, okay, around that price. So we talking about the cost of launching your first product. So let's say it costs you around £3 to launch something. You will launch with 300 units, that's around £900, and then you'll need the shipping of the product from China to the UK. That will be another, more or less, depending on the product, but let's say an average size product with an average weight, it will cost around, for 300 units, it will cost around £1,000 to get it to the UK. So there you go, you have 900 for 300 units plus another 1,000 in shipping cost, okay? And then obviously you need to get some amazing pictures to create your listings and to sell on Amazon. For that you will go to Fiverr, okay, Fiverr, like this, and here you can access a lot of constructors, a lot of talented people. I put an example here of someone who does Amazon pictures, okay? So they are very good, these people. You look at the reviews, someone who has a lot of reviews, and you contact them. The price more or less is between 200 to 300 pounds, depending how good they are. With 6 pictures you'll be okay. You need to get some infographics pictures, which is explain the benefits of the products, something like this, and you'll get your white background pictures like this one here for the listing, or like this one here, and then all the other pictures. So people here from Fiverr, if you pick one with good reviews and they already have a lot of reviews, a lot of orders, they know exactly what to do, and they know exactly how to comply with Amazon rules in order to get the right photos. So, and this is what it's gonna cost you. So a little bit of to summarize what I said, the cost, creating a company, around £20, Helium 10, the tool that you'll need, it's gonna cost you around £50 if you sign with the link below in the description, and then you need to sign up for Amazon. Amazon will cost you around £25 per month. GS1, your barcodes, you need barcodes, so the started plan, that's enough, £50 per year. Your product, you're gonna launch a product with around 300 units. So remember, depending the product you choose, I put an example of a product that costs £15 to buy it on Amazon, so we will need to get it from the supplier for around £3 plus the shipping for 300 units, average size, average weight product, more or less £1,000. And to finish you'll need photos. The photos, it costs around 200 to 300 pounds, okay? So if you have all this cost in consideration, you can launch your first product, okay? Then after that, once you launch your product, you'll do some PPC campaigns. That if you want to watch another of my videos where I explain more about PPC, you launch a product. But more or less I wanted to give you an idea of what's the cost of launching your first product on Amazon. I hope this video helped you guys to give you an idea, and don't forget to give me likes, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care guys, see you later, bye bye.